The game changer you're searching for at the moment, dear Sagittarius, is internal. It's got nothing to do with the external. And this can be very difficult, right? Because sometimes the thought process can be, but if it's got something to do with the external, then I can do something about it. The doing piece, right? And that's where it's very easy to lose yourself. Because if you can do something about it, then there's the idea of control. Now, the game changer you're looking for is internal. It comes down to one very simple decision that you continue to overlook. More importantly, I feel you continue to avoid, because this one simple decision is connected to a history of pain, a history of emotions, a history of heaviness, a history of memories of maybe you failed it a few times, who knows, right? And that history that's connected to this one decision is what's not allowing you to experience the game changer. To experience the game changer you want to experience, you have to be willing to honor this one very simple decision. And in order to do that, you can't keep going back to, well, when I did it last time, this happened, that happened, and things didn't work out, or the failures, and none of that is useful. And I'm not saying you can just let it go either, because it doesn't work that way. It's time to address the part of you that is stuck in that realm, in that history of failure, in that history of, well, it didn't work out. It's time to be present with that part of you.